Gio from Gio's World. Today I'm going to be making some slime with my two cousins. This is Emiliano. And this is Roman.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You might remember him from the Dr. Seuss video, the Bean Boozled video. And
I'm very old now.
and from the April Rose Valentine's Day blind bag video. So today we're going to be making slime. And we are going to be using these colors. We can mix them. He's going to be mixing pink and yellow.
Who's that?
If we want, we can put a tiny bit of glue in here and make the slime first. Make a little bit of slime. And then make a little bit of slime. Make a little bit of slime.
Slime?
Yeah,
Lime juice? Can I have some lime juice?
Slime. Put a little bit of glue in there. Then make a tiny batch of slime. Then make another. Put some more glue in there. So we're gonna start off with some glue. Do you want to make two batches? Two tiny batches?
Hold on, let me put my glue.
Are you gonna? Okay. I'm gonna be making two tiny batches.
Okay. I want a big batch.
No. That's a tiny bit.
I've never made slime. I don't like glue. Ooh, I get a lot.
That's the same amount as all of us. Okay, so
Okay, we got.
so we're making little batches. We're making two little batches. So let's get to the colors.
Excuse me, can I pour them all in now?
I got a little bit. See,
Now what do I do? What do I do?
even open this.
Can I put some blue in? A dot of blue?
I can't. This is turning out brown, guys.
It's red.
I'll just put it.
And then I put some of this in. I put a dot of this in.
You can put 2 dots.
Of both?
Yeah. So it won't be that much. So it won't be that good.
Mine is blue.
2 dots.
If it.
That one.
Oops, I might have put 3 dots in one.
Look at mine.
I'm gonna put a little bit more since mine won't really show up. Okay. Please give me. I'm gonna add my shaving cream.
So do I mix? Do I mix?
Bro, look at that.
I told you
Only
guys
add
to
a
make
little
peach
bit of shaving
and
cream.
peaches.
Only add a little bit of shaving.
Why is it black? It's purple. Mine looks like poop.
Poop?
Bro, don't say that one. I think a video.
Can I have some blue so I can put in mine?
Yeah.
Wait, what's the blue? Oh,
Emiliano. I need some blue.
We call it mono for short.
Oops.
I feel like this has glitter in it. It's kind of pink, guys.
Mine looks like caca.
Really?
What? Stop!
Caca. Guys, I don't know how to make slime.
I know that.
Mine looks nicer than it did before, at least.
Let me see the blue. Let me see the blue.
Guys.
I'm gonna mix every single color.
This one's turning out purple. Guys, see? Oh, it's almost time to ask you guys. We're just done. Our last chocolate coloring, or like last touches. Then
What color is this?
Look at mine.
I want some more yellow.
Okay, guys.
I didn't mix mine yet. I'm not done mixing.
Why did you stop talking for a little bit? Wait, Roman, pass us the activator.
dare you?
Give us some good stuff.
Yeah, give it.
It's over.
Roman! Oh my god! Yeah!
Okay, guys, so ours is
I finally got mine to fix.
Mine is not sticky.
I
Look
fixed
at it.
mine. And I had a little help.
come in the back room. We've tried to turn off the camera for a little bit.
Oh no, I got
I mean, it's a black screen if you turn it off. My arms are tired. Wait, hey guys, can I show you a trick I learned? My new skill?
Okay. Oh, could I have a new tactic?
Hold on,
Slime bubble.
I'll show you my skill in a little while. Let me just finish my slime. What are you doing? Don't drink your slime, Gio.
I'm not. I'm blowing bubbles.
Okay,
Oh.
look at mine, people. Mine is not sticky no more.
Mine is still sticky.
What?
Say the 3 kind of activates, guys.
Ah, people, look at my slime.
This is me. Mine is gonna be fluffy.
People, look at this slime. I mean, Gio Grow fan.
We're all fan of you.
Guys, hit the notification and join the Gio.
And subscribe.
The Gio's World.
And
The
subscribe.
Gio's World Squad.
And subscribe.
And
Good.
subscribe.
Yeah, what he said.
And subscribe. Comment down below if you know what YouTube channel that's from.
Look at the down one and press it and look at all the wheels.
It's weird.
I'm just king.
Do I think yours is successful, Roman?
No.
Why?
Here, and
It's great.
Add the chocolate food color now.
oh my god, mine is good.
So do you think yours is successful?
Yes, mine is not sticky and I like it.
I think mine is successful. It's stretchy.
It doesn't
Clicky.
Oh yeah, guys. I like that. I like mine.
Guys, shh. Let's hear my slime noises. Now let's hear Roman slime noises. I think we need to activate this a little bit more.
Hold on.
So just Emiliano, let's see your slime noises.
Keep it.
Wait, this way.
Okay, Roman, show me your slime.
Roman, not sticky yet.
No more.
Not a lot.
Okay.
Hey guys. I need to show you a trick of mine.
I can put a little bit.
Here, I'll try Roman.
Yeah. Okay, hush guys. Now that's fart noises.
Guys, so I got Roman's slime to work kind of. Let's just add a tiny bit more activator.
I learned how to do that. It only took me like 2 weeks. I can do it with both actually.
Here's
This one
Roman's
I'm
slime
still working
noises. He's so proud. Let's add one more drop of food coloring, okay?
on. My slime.
Guys, chickens out there. Happy
No.
Cinco de Mayo.
What the? That's it.
Finally got my slime under control.
Kind of. I got my purple slime. I like it.
Look at my slime, people.
Comment down below if you want us to another one right now.
Yeah.
You guys should be commenting right now.
Right now.
Woo!
Look mine.
Look mine. Guys, here's some actual poking. Someone tapping text. So this is poking so this time. He can't focus. Here, wait.
Excuse me, that's my bowl.
Here, put your slime in here.
No.
It has a bunch of activators.
No.
Okay.
Drop it.
Subscribe, like, comment, share, comment down below if you want us to do some more slime videos.